Hi guys, welcome back to Pots, Pans, and Love. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the food bank haul for the month of November. Okay, so first I have the whole wheat flour tortillas. And this is some hard-boiled eggs ready to eat. Then I have some 2% milk, half a gallon. There you go. And some dried spaghetti noodles. If you guys have any good spaghetti recipes, please let me know in the comment section. I have here some instant mashed potato flakes, some baby Lima beans, a bottle of vegetable cooking oil, and we have a jar of creamy peanut butter, a can of fruit mix. Stick around guys towards the end of the video because I will be using some of these items. That way you guys could see what I do with some of the items I get from the food bank haul. And I have some brown rice, more dried beans from Pappy's Pantry. So these are pinto beans. Okay, so I have some tomato soup, low sodium tomato soup, sliced white potatoes, also low sodium, a can of pork with juices, and some black beans. Okay guys, so the first item I want to use from the haul are these hard-boiled ready-to-eat eggs. Now I could eat the eggs just like this and just add salt and it's ready to go. But I also want to make some deviled eggs using the hard-boiled eggs. So first I'm going to cut the eggs in half. And use a spoon to pop out the yolks. Now guys, if you guys enjoy these type of contents, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so now I'm going to mash the yolks with using a fork. And there you go, I have about the eggs cut in half. Now for this recipe, I'm just going to be using the main ingredients, which is egg, mayo, and mustard, and of course a little bit of salt and pepper. If you guys want to share any variation of this recipe, please let me know in the comments section. Now the great thing with eating eggs is that eggs are jam-packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and it's just simply a healthy snack. Okay, so I have here some honey mustard, mayo, I added some salt and pepper, I went ahead and added a little bit more mayo. It's just a little bit too dry for me, so I added a little bit more mayo. Have some paprika. And there you go, guys, a classic deviled egg recipe. Alright, so the second item I'm going to be using are these whole wheat flour tortilla. And these are quite simple. I'm going to be making some wheat tortilla chips. Now these are great alternatives for store-bought tortilla chips. So I'm going to cut these into triangle shapes. What I also like to do is cut out some fun shape using a cookie cutter. You guys can see I have a cookie cutter that's shaped into a heart. Just go ahead and press down and it'll just pop out like that. See how cute that is? Now kids would love these fun designs. So I will deep fry these chips using this Fry Daddy. I also did a video if you guys want to check out this fryer that I'm using. Okay, now you guys can also bake these tortilla chips if you guys would like, but I will just deep fry it really quick, about a minute or two, and the chips are done. Now the heart-shaped tortillas came out really cute. And the chips are done. Look how cute those heart-shaped chips came out. Oh, look at that. They're so cute. Now I'm going to add flavor to the chips. I have these nacho cheddar and ranch flavor. You could also use these for vegetables too and salads, but I won't be using either. Instead, I will use some cinnamon and sugar. Okay, so I have the third and last item I'm going to be using from the haul, which are these baby Lima beans. Now, I won't necessarily cook these, but instead I will be dyeing them using some food coloring. Now, why, you guys would ask? It's because I'll be using these for my son's project, some bean art. Like, they could use it for sensory play or some picture mosaic, all sorts of stuff. Now as you guys could see, I have some food coloring here that I'm showing. Blue, red, yellow. So add half a tablespoon of white vinegar. Now if you guys want to share some cooking recipes using some baby Lima beans, please let me know in the comments section below. Now take a reclosable Ziploc and drop a couple of drops of food coloring or however many you guys want, and a half a tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and give it a good shake. Okay, so I have a metal tray, and I'm just go ahead and lay a sheet of parchment paper and just pour these beans out on the tray to let them dry. I'm going to leave them out for about a good 24 hours or even maybe more. And once they're dry, my son and I will be able to create these wonderful bean art, like mosaic pictures and all sorts of stuff. Okay guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me use some of the stuff from our November food bank haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more food bank haul videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye everyone, and take care.